it going, guys? My name is James. This is a 1983 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck that me and my guys over at Performance Dubs went through and built. It has a 2.0 liter Mark IV AZG. The vehicle not only has functional cruise control, it has functional AC as well. It's pretty nice being able to cruise at 70 miles an hour down I-35 and not even have to touch the throttle. The original vehicles, they only came with like 70, 80 horsepower, and these are nice little 2-liter swaps that we do. They're usually packing 135 horsepower to the wheels, so it's a pretty decent upgrade, especially on something this old. It has a custom-built cluster, 100% digital and Android operating system, all run through the Torque Pro app. The electrical system has been all gone through, everything brand spanking new, all the way back to the fuse box. The reliability of this vehicle will continue on for, the 40 plus years that we're already at.